Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you to the Syncwire upgraded magnetic wireless charger with 20 watt power. It's a USB-C wall adapter and a metal plate. It's compatible with the MagSafe charging system for our iPhone 13 Pro, Max 13 Pro Standard, 13 Mini, iPhone 12 Pro Max, 12 Pro, 12 Mini, and the Airpods 2, no problem. And of course, all other devices which contain the G standard too, but maybe not so magnetic like the MagSafe option, okay? But in this set, there is a magnetic plate included. This will make your iPhone 8, iPhone X, iPhone X, S, iPhone 11 and 12, what, to a magnetic compatible MagSafe charging pad compatible device. That's really cool. Yeah. The magnetic charging design looks really awesome. The Syncwire USB-C wireless charger built in superior magnetic attraction, which keeps our mobile phone keep charging in place. We feel free to charge our mobile phone or AirPods anywhere. The magnetic plate has been included if you need it. You can see on the iPhone 12 and 13, it's no prob. You can make it with the device itself because it comes with the magnetic back. We have a PD, power delivery 20 watt USB-C adapter and a cable. This fast charger pad magnetic wireless charger comes with built-in 1.5 meter USB-C cable and a 20 watt PD, power delivery fast wall charging included. 5 feet long cable allows us to freely operate the device and juice up our phone simultaneously. 20 watt USB-C power adapter offers a fast, efficient charging at home, in the office, or on the go for all devices out there. That supports USB power delivery, of course. And universal compatibility. Pairs up flawlessly with the magnetic functions of the iPhone 13 and 12 series, as well as with the compatible AirPods 2 and AirPods Pro and iPhone 11 up to 8 series or down to the 8 series. It offers up to 7.5 watt of charging power. Models from iPhone 11 up to iPhone 8 are the best used with a magnetic plate for the Apple Magsafe cases. Okay, you can use an Apple Magsafe case or the magnetic plate. The magnetic plate is included. The MagSafe case is not. Okay, it is case friendly. It works with rubber plastic TPU cases up to 8mm thickness. Cases made of metal attachments such as pop sockets, metal rings, magnet cards, grips will interfere with the charging, okay? So take care a little bit. Safer and easier it is to use. Exclusive, multifunctional, intelligent protect technology offers accurate overvoltage protection and over temperature protection and over power protection. All in on board. Multiple guarantee provide us a safety experience. It works with rubber plastic TPU cases up to 8mm thickness, okay? And a revolutionary durability. Reinforced cable joint with exclusive laser welding technology which can withstand over 15,000 times of bending. The 1.5 meter cable is made with a durable bulletproof fiber and highly elastic TPE materials, and it's covered with premium double braided nylon jacket. And it's slim and compact, as you can see. The Syncwire magnetic wireless charger won't get in our way when we're not using it, so it is so small to hide it everywhere. And if we use it, it hides behind in the backside of our device. where we are playing a game or catching up on our favorite shows, we can comfortably hold our phone while it is charging. That's really cool. And use magnetic wireless charger. Just snap this magnetic wireless charger on the back of our phone for a secure connection. Play and charge at the same time. Uninterrupted charging. That's the new Note things. Really nice. It's really cool, it's really easy to use as you can see, and it brings the full power of into your device back. Magnetic wireless charger with 7.5 watt wireless fast charging for iPhones. A versatile USB-C wall charger included. MagSafe Charger and USB-C to Lightning cable. This USB-C to Lightning cable, you have to pay separately if you like to make a reload your iPhone by the wire. But here is included the wire from the AC adapter to the plate. And the AC adapter is a standalone version, so you can dock there your USB-C to Lightning cable or your USB-C to USB-C cable for Samsung devices or other devices out there. Then you can use it multi-function style, baby. Okay, that's cool. That's easy. That's awesome. We have higher compatibility because of the power magnet plate, which is included. We have a revolutionary durable Type-C cable, 5 feet long, and a humanized design, and an anti-slip rubber ring on the backside. All is in, and all is compatible to your smartphone where you like to reload it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun Sun.